Bruh. Can't. Alright, hold on. Y'all never believe. So I'm sitting on the side of the interstate, like, going to Atlanta, exactly like 50 minutes from my friend's house up here. And why the fuck my tire fell off my car? Look at this shit. Tire and all, bruh. Wow. Alright, so after an hour, literally spent a hour walking to AutoZone. And I'm in Walmart now. All Walmarts look the same, but it's low-key different things that make them different, like they set up. But I got all my, like, lugs and stuff inside my coat. Wow, it's sewn at the sewn at the gun section. Wow, I never seen nobody at the gun section. But yeah, I got my lug studs and all of that in my coat, cause I don't want nobody to think I'm stealing. So, but this probably look like I'm stealing, cause it's kind of poking out. But whatever. And now that I'm here, I gotta get some oil, that W40, whatever it's called. So basically what happened was my 8-minute walk to AutoZone from where I was in the interstate turned into an hour, because I learned real quick 8 minutes is not an hour. I mean, 8 minutes is not 8 minutes in Georgia. And I Ubered as close as I could back to the interstate, which is to this Walmart. And I gotta walk back to the car. It's probably gonna take like another 30 minutes. And then maybe like, hopefully, I pray to God it just take like 20 minutes just to fix it. So I'm thinking like another hour into this process, because I'm already tired and I don't feel like it. I'm blessed to know I can, because I got tools and stuff already, like a whole toolbox and everything. But right now it's 7:42 and I ain't trying to be out all night. It's me trying to figure out where this W40 shit is. I had to pay $8 to literally Uber a minute away to this Walmart, because basically this Walmart is right off the exit. And to get from this Walmart to AutoZone is like down the street, but not down the street. Like, it's technically, yeah, down the street, but it's, when you walk in, it ain't down the street. And so I was like, fuck that, I'm gonna just Uber back to the Walmart before I walk. I knew it was gonna cost something, because, you know, they gotta make their money too. But at the same time, $8, at least $4. So they got somebody in guns, but they ain't got nobody in the auto. That's funny. If I look like Frosty, then I don't even care, bro. It's 6 in the morning, and I finally got that bitch back together. Like, you can see right here, I gotta get my tire fixed, like, ASAP. Not even fixed, but just replaced ASAP. But I never thought I'd see the time when I'll be done. And I don't even know if I done because I broke some shit, but whatever. Hopefully it don't affect the drive, because it's something minor, but it's major to the minor. So I don't know. Whatever. I'll be back. I'm tired as hell, so I don't even got anything to really say other than I took all this time to fix this shit. But at least I knew how to do it. Car cranking up. It's just a matter of if this bitch going, or if it's gonna act a fool. We gonna see. Alright, bro. Shit still ain't fixed. It's some shit that I gotta like go and buy to go fix. Mind you, I don't got a problem with doing it. And you know, since the moment that this shit went down, like, I've been straight positive, like, straight positive. No room to, you know, feel any type of way other than to get the shit fixed. Because I'm by myself, so it's like, it's just like, damn, like, I just walked out of that Walmart and like I gotta walk back to this AutoZone because I ain't finna keep fucking Ubering, spending $8 to go down the street. But it's like, I'm not mad or anything. I'm just fucking like, you know, the whole gist of me coming out here to Atlanta is to keep pushing my fucking photography career, right? And I understand, you know, you gotta leap on faith and shit. And I understand shit happens while you on the grind. But it's like, bro, how much shit finna happen? Like, for real, how much shit finna happen? I'm laughing about it because only reason I'm getting teary and shit, it ain't cause I'm sad. It's just I keep hearing all the fucking time, over and fucking over, bro. You gotta stick true to the grind. You gotta, you know, keep going through your obstacles. Well, like, shit. How many obstacles I gotta fucking go through? Like, this shit irking my nerve. And it's cool because I'm still here. I'm alive. I'm able-bodied. But at the same time, it's just like, can't nobody can really tell me about me, or nobody can really question me about shit, only because of the shit that I go through and the shit that I do to handle it. Like, I think that's probably why I be so fucking, not nonchalant, but like carefree and just, not I don't give a fuck, but you know, when you work for so much shit and you still going through shit and handling it, it's like, bro, it ain't shit you could say to me about sacrifice. It ain't shit. It ain't shit. Like, nobody could tell me about fucking sacrifice, dedication, grind, all of that. Like, so yeah. I gotta walk this long ass road. It's technically like 2-3 minutes of a drive, but it's really like 15-20 minutes of walking. But it's cool. Like, it's cool. I'm gonna get this shit fixed somehow. So I just had to get a whole new caliper. Like, if you see here, I got something stuck in there, and then this one, hold on, has just like, that's how it's supposed to look. Yeah, it's supposed to look this way, but instead, this is what I have. This is the new caliper, and then the old one right here. So I'm just finna replace the whole thing. Alright, so I got the new caliper on, secured and on. It's looking fine so far. I'm about to put the tire back on and cross my fingers that this shit works.